Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Let's go back to the previous complaint after we figure out the reason for the oil issue. Here we will offer you our solution. You need to adjust the drying process's temperature and time significantly when you change another brand of DTF ink, as the proportions of glycerin content are different among DTF ink manufacturers. We recommended that the drying process's temperature range is 113 to 115 centigrade, and the time is 3 to 5 minutes, according to the different ink you use and other patterns. Suppose you fail to find the best temperature and time of drying process. Don't worry, and you need to send us your target fabric sample and photo design file. We will do test for you and send you an instruction video for your reference. Of course, if you choose to use our DTF ink and DTF hot melt powder, this problem will not exist. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.